look at, of course, and figure out exactly which way you want it. You also need kind of a little brush to kind of brush away any debris, leaves, or rocks or anything from it. Doesn't necessarily. Some people use a broom. This, to me, is a little bit easier. What you do is you flip the graphic over. Okay, this is going to be image side down, and just kind of be careful so that you're not, you don't mar the print when you're flipping it over. And what you want to do is, toward the liner, you want to peel back the shortest width, which is of course the 29. Peel back your liner about 2 to 3 inches. Expose the adhesive like so. Then you want to take your thumbnail and just kind of crease it, apply pressure so that it lays flat. Okay?
Okay.
And what this allows you to do is flip it over and position it, make sure it's straight, make sure you adjust it before you actually stick it.
Okay.
So you don't want to expose too much, but then what you can do is kind of sweep away the debris.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so as you can see, you can kind of slide it any way you want it, pretty much. And once you're definitive on exactly where you want it, is that pretty good?
That's good.
Also, another thing I recommend is a squeegee.
Okay.
Well, squeegee out the graphic that you have exposed to the adhesive or to the ground, the concrete. You can kind of run it with your fingers as well. Okay. And then what you want to do is.
Hey, Bob, how are you? I'll see you Wednesday.
Yep. You're allowed to flip it over a little bit, and then you can continue to sweep off the concrete. Remember, what we recommend is 72 hours of no moisture exposure to the concrete before and after you apply it. So really, the roller you don't necessarily need until after you actually apply the whole graphic, and then you go back.
Okay.
So you take your graphic, flip it back over. Okay. So what you want to do is slowly peel back the liner in like 6-inch intervals. You can apply pressure here. You don't want to expose. You don't want to expose too much adhesive, because then you'll end up getting your wrinkles and it'll kind of be hard to stick on. So what you want to do is just with your fingers kind of go to and fro. Expose a little bit. Always keep tension on this backhand right here with your fingers. Pull it again. Just keep tension on the back, and kind of just with your fingers, just kind of go over it. The squeegee is not necessarily needed. You can or cannot. You don't have to use it. up so it doesn't fall by itself. Then you take your roller, make sure it's clean. You apply pressure.
And that's what gets it down all those little crevices,
Yes.
huh? Okay.
This is what, when you apply the pressure, it's actually what gives it. It's kind of the painted-on look because it conforms. The edges are especially what we want to make sure we roll over. And then with the same brush, you can just kind of clean it up.